Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today my MN78 is getting the first upgrades. 1-inch rims with 73mm soft compound tires. This is almost the same size, maybe a little bit bigger than the stock ones, okay. 370 motor from my WPL 2-speed gearbox, okay, this is the stock motor that it came with. I'm going to try to replace it with this 280 motor that this rig lacks on power a lot, and these shocks, okay. I like the color combination. I'm going to see if I can make them work here without getting too high stance. The goal is to maintain the stock electronics, okay. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but we'll try it. First thing to do, take out the wheels and the body. Body disassembled, just a matter of taking the wiring from here, okay, the wiring from the lights, and this one I believe is also from the lights. It connects right here, okay. I believe this was the first MN models to have this set up here. Okay, like so. So the motor is this one, okay. These gears are almost dry. I will add some grease. Let's see first. So the diameter length is almost the same, no issues there. So first step, I'm going to take out these tabs here, okay. Now I'm going to open these holes, okay, like so, in this part here. Outside part here I'm going to open. Okay, now I think it's enough. I have this pinion here from another MN models RC. Now I'm going to snug it in. I give it some taps and it's already mounted. Now I'm going to try to assemble this without this plate that came stock, okay. So as you can see, it's perfectly aligned now and perfectly secure, okay. Now I'm going to test if this electronics handles this motor, okay. So let's just try this to see if it works with this power plant, with this electronics. Okay, it's working. So all the soldering has been done. Now I'm going to close this. Well, I couldn't use the stock screws for securing the motor, okay. I had to find one's about 3mm in order to get this tight, okay. Motor wise is done, and now it's time to assemble shocks. I'm going to try to use the stock adapters, okay. They were mounted here, and I'm going to slide it here, okay, just to see if this is possible. So I'm going to cut all these points here, okay, as usual. Now I'm going to cut this tab here. It's looking good, no more mods needed. So this is a common mod that I do to these shocks, okay. I'm using the MN78 stock springs. This one looks and feels to me quite stiffer than the stock springs. Before assembling all this, I had to take out these parts here, okay, in order to shocks move freely, okay. Not a big deal. I use the Dremel just to open clearance. It's all assembled. I think that is looking pretty good, okay. In the front, no body modifications needed, but I'm really liking the looks, but I have to try it out. So now the wheels. I bought this set of wheels, these wheels and these adapters, okay. 20 euros, less than 20 euros if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to put the link and the image just to show you. Now I'm going to assemble the wheels and have a look at the modulation, okay? Certainly they look better than the stock ones, but I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this setup of wheels and tires, I don't know. But we'll run it, this first run, I will use these tires and these wheels, and in the future we'll see what I'm going to do with this setup. Maybe this is too much, but we'll see. Okay, this is first gear. Amazing difference in flex. With stock configuration and stock shock with 2 tires, it struggled a lot. So now let's hit the trail and do a small trail to see how much this got better. And what a nice looking rig. But I have mixed feelings about these wheels. So let's begin. First gear. This is top speed in first gear. Well, let's hit the second gear. Top speed in second gear. This is a slow walking pace. Now let's go to do some more technical stuff to see the modulation. Low gear again. Okay, the torque seems to be enough, but very low speed, very low wheel speed in the lowest gear. I have to do something about these wheel arches. They are too small. Okay, this electronics doesn't seem to me to have the power to deal with this motor, or any motor. Either way, it's way better than stock. So the ground clearance is an issue, but the modulation got much better and it has more torque. In stock configuration, surely I wasn't unable of making this line. Okay. Now let's try this last obstacle. And what can I say about this setup? This setup is an okay setup if you want to maintain the stock lighting, okay? If you have a 370 motor laying around, and even if you don't, this is a good upgrade to the stock rig, okay? The shocks is a must, as well as the tires. Okay, very well, I think it's done. Yes. This was a good one with an underpowered rig, okay? But the chassis balance and tires helped a lot. This is a pretty simple setup to do and quite a nice one. I think it's enough to do some slow stuff and some slow trails, and the look of the rigs improved a lot, okay? For me. I'm liking this rig despite being a little bit underpowered with these electronics. In the future I probably will upgrade it as well as all my other rigs. So it's all for today, guys. See you next time, guys. Bye.